Choosing the best 401k allocation for retirement. Planning for retirement is crucial to securing your financial future. The right 401k allocation can determine how well your savings grow and last throughout retirement. With various investment options available, it's essential to find the right balance between growth and stability. Let's break it down into simple steps. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Understanding 401k asset allocation. Asset allocation is about spreading your investments across different asset types. 1. Stocks, equities, high growth potential but come with market risks. 2. Bonds, fixed income, provide stability and regular income. 3. Cash and equivalents, offer liquidity for short-term needs. 4. Alternative investments, real estate, commodities, and gold IRAs for diversification. Age-based investment strategies. Your allocation should change as you near retirement. 20s to 30s, early career, high stock allocation, 80 to 90% for growth. 40s to 50s, mid-career, shift to 60 to 70% stocks, adding more bonds for stability. 50s to 60s, pre-retirement, reduce stocks to 40 to 50%, focus on income-generating assets. Retirement years, prioritize capital preservation with bonds, dividend stocks, and alternatives. Risk tolerance considerations. Aggressive investors, more stocks and alternative assets for higher growth. Conservative investors, more bonds and stable assets to minimize risk. The role of Gold IRA in a 401k portfolio. A Gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold in a retirement account, offering 1. Inflation protection. Gold retains value as the dollar weakens. 2. Diversification, reduces reliance on stock market performance. 3. Wealth security, tangible asset with long-term value. 4. Tax benefits, tax-deferred or tax-free growth, depending on account type. How to allocate 401k funds to a Gold IRA. 1. Rollover or transfer, move funds from a traditional 401k to a self-directed Gold IRA. 2. Choose a custodian, select an IRS-approved provider for gold purchase and storage. 3. Decide allocation. Experts suggest 5 to 15% of your portfolio in gold, based on risk preference. A well-balanced 401k allocation ensures long-term financial stability. By combining stocks, bonds, and alternative investments like gold IRAs, you can safeguard your retirement funds. Diversifying your savings helps protect against inflation and market volatility, ensuring a stress-free retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.